Hello friends, I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, today's video is to review the GoPro Hero 8 roll cage. So I've had the GoPro for a few weeks, but so far you can see that I have not removed the lens protector that came with it. It's like a little film on it, but I didn't take it out because this is the lens for the GoPro Hero 8, and you can see that it is exposed, and this has been the drawback in the GoPro Hero 8 design. So I decided that I should get the roll cage, which is simply a silicone cage, a sleeve, and it also has a glass lens. So the lens that comes with the cage is actually a glass lens, it's not plastic, so that's the good thing. So let's open this up. It just comes in this I got this for $25 plus tax, and the shipping was included. If you buy from the GoPro website, then you also have to pay for shipping. At least that was the deal right now. But then I bought it from another website. I'll give the link below in the description if you want to check it out. So let's open it up. So I think I can just use the knife to cut it here. Yep, that's it. Use this to pull it out. Pretty good design. So, and this has a lifetime warranty. So that's the lifetime warranty paper. You can keep it. So that means if there is a defect in it, which GoPro is responsible, they are going to replace it. It says lifetime warranty, which is a good thing. And here is our roll cage for the GoPro Hero 8. And this thing is glass, which is again a good thing. So on the side here we have the power button. On the top we have the shutter button. At the bottom we have a slot here to access the legs. The only thing I don't see is like they could have like a slot like here on this side, so we could access the USB-C port, and if we wanted to use the cable and not the battery, if we wanted to take like a long shot. So that's the only thing I don't like about this, that they should have a USB-C slot here. But let's put this in, and it should go in pretty easy. You can put the put this thing in there, and since this is silicone, you could stretch it. Okay, so putting the sleeve on was not hard. And then I think we can put this thing on there too. So this lens also has a small film on the top, so we can take that off later. But let's see how hard it is to put this in back. Oh, it just give it a little push and it goes into the place. It's pretty easy putting the sleeve on. So let's power this on and see. So just press this button and that powers it right on. So I mean, it has a good feel to it. You can see the GoPro embossed on there, and the silicone feels good. It's soft, but like I said, I would have liked a little cut here to access the USB-C slot, but maybe at some point of time I'll try to do it myself. But otherwise, you just have to, you need it in the first place. Like if you are going outdoors and to shoot video, so you need the cage on, but then you do have to charge the battery or replace the battery, so you have to take it out every time. So I think that over a period of time this will get a little loose as well. But other than that, it feels good, and it is a must for if you have a GoPro Hero 8. I think this is a must because there is another protective housing available, which also makes it waterproof or deeper into the water, but then it does affect the sound quality. Now I haven't done a test yet, but I have seen other reviews for the roll cage, and it does not affect the sound quality. I didn't feel a difference, so I think it does not. And I also have seen a couple of videos where people actually put a piece of foam between the roll cage and the camera, and then if they were shooting in a high wind area, that also helps with the reducing of the wind noise. So that's another good thing for this housing. So that's it, friends. I mean, I'll give you the link below from where I got it. It's for $25, and I think until they come out with someone comes out with a lens that only the lens can fit on the camera, this is the best solution we have right now. And hopefully in the GoPro Hero 9 they will fix the design problem, so we don't have to put a roll cage. So that's it, friends. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and the like, and also give your comments. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.